You are here to remember who you are and create from that. When you know who you are empty of everything you know. It's a paradox. From that emptiness, that silence, that stillness, that potential, aliveness spark your heart. You feel a calling to create something, to say something, to think something. Is from that complete abundance that creation flows through you to the world to give birth to the unmanifest. From that peace, you can enjoy your creation without being attached to your ideas, even your vision. Sometimes you can change, you can explore, you can play. It's become very innocent. Create is super beautiful fulfillment itself, the process, the creative process, or the creative act. And sometimes you feel the call to co-create. You meet someone, or maybe wherever life put people in your way for that, for co-creation. And for my experience, co-creation comes from silence, from emptiness. Truly, co-creation between two beings is really heart connection, essence, reverence. It's like life is dance with itself in an incarnated way to bring alive something bigger that 2, 3, whatever people. It's beyond what they can create from mind alone. It's not only collaboration. Collaboration is part of that. It's not only cooperation of help to someone to create something. That is a level in creation, in co-creation. But really, for me, co-creation is without roles. The more of time is truly giving. You don't need something from the other being. Your creativity flow naturally. you are so full, so rich with creation, the fire or creation or fire of creativity that flows through you, and you don't need um, even the idea was received, accepted, validated, used. It's just a sharing of yourself. It's a devotion to creation, to life. It's so playful that it gives you so much energy and enjoyment by itself, by, I don't know how to explain it. It's not a state of mind, it's who you are. You are in flow. When you co-create with someone, he is or she is open to really co-create with you. Is needed openness for both, and co-creation is beyond collaboration, because it's not I need that you what thing you need to me. Sorry. I need what you do or what you are good. That is collaboration. For me, co-creativity is, you don't need that for that person. That is a contribution, is equal in a way that what you do, what you give to, is like two energies increase together. It's not the idea of I give you my energy and you create something with that. No, this is a sharing field. If from that resonance, from that synergy, from that dance, from the frequency of course of the people, that field is the ambient, is the space where the idea grow and reveal and express and live. So it's for me something I love. I really love to create with someone. Let me know if you want to I share more about co-creation. Bye.